Hi everyone! Want to create a Gmail account? Open your web browser. Go to Gmail sign up page with following link. Click to create account button. Select purpose of account. Type your first and last name. Select your date and birth year. Select your gender and click Next. Pick a suggested Gmail address or create your own. Now create a complicated and strong password. Remember your typed password. Type your recovery phone number. Enter verification code received at your given phone number and click Next. Add your recovery email address or skip. Review your account informations, your email address, and your recovery phone number. Scroll down Google privacy and terms and accept by clicking I agree. The Google account is successfully created. Now you can avail Google services like Gmail, YouTube, G Drive, and much more. Thanks for watching Techno Advisor.